In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open cPanel in Namecheap step by step. If you manage a website, this is one of the most important places to know because cPanel is where you handle files, emails, domains, databases, and a lot more behind the scenes. The good news is that opening it from Namecheap is very simple, and in just a moment, you'll know exactly where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Namecheap account. Go to the Namecheap website, enter your username and password, and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see an option called Hosting List. Click on Hosting List to view all of the hosting plans connected to your account. On this page, find the hosting plan that you want to access. If you have more than one hosting account, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. Next to that hosting account, you'll see a button that says Go to cPanel. Click that button to continue. After you click it, cPanel will open in a new tab. In some cases, it may take a few seconds to load, so give it a moment if needed. Once the new tab opens, you'll be inside your cPanel dashboard and ready to manage your website settings. That's all there is to it. You've now opened Namecheap Cpanel successfully. If you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.